my world. How can I have you for myself when I'm already someone's girl? Hello. Do impromptu singing in the house at times. But anyways, welcome to DoxologyCreations. Today we'll be tuning in for another tutorial here on my channel. If you are not yet a subscriber, go ahead and click the subscribe button. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for subscribing. Please guys, whenever you subscribe, please don't forget to turn on your notification button so you can see when I upload new videos. Okay, so stay tuned, we gonna know this. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me for this part. So we're going in with the first shade from my Morphe Boss palette. It's a Stroke of Luck, and that's gonna be my transition shade. Next I'm going to go in with Express Yourself, and I'm going to basically blend that out in my crease. Actually no, just putting it on the first color for the transition shade, to densen up that green a little bit. The first color was a little bit light, so I'm kind of packing on that second green color. So I'm going to use the next one, which is called Nude Tude, and that's a little bit darker. That I'm packing into the actual crease, but towards the tip of or the end of my eye. So I'm packing on the product there. Guys, as you can see, for the most part of this video, my head will be done because I totally forgot that my camera was not positioned right. So majority of my head kind of hang down. I'm looking at a mirror. So anyways, next color, I'm going in with Green with Envy. That's what the color is called, and I'm packing that on to the Nude Tude to make it darker. And I'm blending out the colors so they have a seamless transition. Next, I'm going in with my P. Louise eye base, and it's going to be Ruma number 2. I'm going to cut my crease there to prepare my eye for the lid color. And I'm taking that same brush that I applied Green with Envy, and I'm darkening up the area now that I've cut my crease. So the actual lid color is called Pop Star. I'm just making sure that both colors are blended seamlessly. Apologize again guys, so not really looking too much into the camera. And so next, I'm just gonna feather out or put some more of the Stroke of Luck, which is the first color, my transition shade, brighten it up a little bit so it has a shine too, so to speak. So I'll be using my Fly liner from the Fenty Beauty collection to achieve my wing. And it's so funny now, wing liners. Me and wing liners, we have like me and wings overall when it comes to makeup, we have a love-hate relationship, because honestly, some days it's good, some days it's just like it not cooperate at all. But anyways, we connected the wing, made it thick enough to my desire. Next, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Sensational Lashes in the style Curvitude to just prep my lashes for falsies. I'll be doing the falsies offline or off cam. I won't be applying it in this video. But if you guys want to see
how-to video of how to add falsies, please go ahead and just leave it down in the comment section if this is something that you would desire to see. Alright, I'm gonna pop a color at the top there, right below my brow, just to brighten up or complete the look. On a regular day, I don't like doing this. I just like to leave it as such, but I thought this look would look a little bit unfinished if there wasn't a color there to accentuate my brow or underneath my brow. Okay, there you go, guys. So I'm going to use my Stay Matte primer from Rimmel to prime my skin. And I have started the color correcting process underneath my eye because it was a little bit dark, and I color corrected with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in their orange color corrector. So I blended that out, and I'm basically applying some more to the dark areas of my face. At the time that I filmed this video, I had a lot of spots on my face. Skincare wasn't my number one priority then. So I had a lot more spots. So I'm using my Real Techniques brush to blend that out. Okay, so I'm going to apply my liquid glow from Anastasia Beverly Hills to the high points of my face. This is just an added step that I like to do, just to get a natural radiance from my foundation. And the parts of my face that I would usually highlight, I just put the liquid glow there, so when the foundation goes over it, it just gives a natural glow. And I just basically put the remaining product all over my face that's left on the brush, I should say. I'm going in with my e.l.f. foundation. And I'm using I think that's the shade Cinnamon, and I'm using my Sigma brush to basically apply that to my skin. Now, this is one of my favorite brushes. Okay, and for concealer, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Concealer in the shade 445 to contour. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. For the highlighted portion of this video, I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember what concealer I used for my highlight, but I am blending that out with my Sigma 3D blending brush. So I went ahead and I baked my face with the Sasha Buttercup. And that is one of my favorite setting powders. I love the pigment in it. I love the yellow in it. It really suits my skin tone because I really have a golden undertone. I'm popping that green liner from, I think, RK Kiss Cosmetics. Nope. Don't quote me upon that one. I don't remember which liner I use. I'm smudging it out, however, with the Express Yourself shadow that I put on my lid, just to give it an extra pop. Elongating my bottom lashes at this time. And I'm using the same Maybelline Lash Sensation in Curvitude to achieve this. Okay, so this is the e.l.f. blush palette, and I'll be taking that shade just to give my cheeks a little rose here. And my cheeks a little bit rosy. Going ahead now and lining my lips with my Nabi lip liner, Nabi Cosmetics lip liner. I've forgotten the shade that I used at the time. And I'm using my Stunner Lip Paint from Fenty Beauty. In the red shade to achieve this bold red look. For highlight, which is my favorite part, I used my Juvia's Place. Not too keen on which one of them I used, but it's their loose highlight. And there you have it, guys. The look is finished, but then I forgot I need to pop some of that, glue in the inner corner of my eyes, which I did go back and I did do it. And placing some more of that highlight, my cupid brow, up above your lip. I don't want to say nothing what I'm not supposed to say. But anyways, that's the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below and let me know what your favorite part was. Yeah, and I'll catch you guys the next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.